Let's have a quick conversation about Jungle Scout. So is it really worth it? I'm going to go through the features, the pros and cons, the pricing, everything. So at the end of this show, you'll have a clear idea what Jungle Scout is for you. If it can really help you advance your e-commerce plans, not a problem. So let's first start with the overview. So when you think about Jungle Scout, what is it? It is basically a platform that helps e-commerce store owners like you to discover lucrative products to sell on Amazon and other e-commerce marketplaces. It also offers inventory management and listing optimization tools. So this is kind of cool. So Jungle Scout actually collects raw data from Amazon and turns it into actionable insights you can use for your e-commerce strategy. So for instance, you can see estimated monthly sales, the number of reviews, listing quality, and other metrics that help you narrow in on opportunities to scale your e-commerce business on Amazon and other e-commerce marketplaces. Okay. So one thing I want to say here is that if you are just listening to me right now, you are starting out and you're not really sure whether Amazon is the right place to launch your online business, you can actually use Jungle Scout. So why do you really need Jungle Scout? Well, the thing here is that if you have a lot of opportunities, you have a lot of capabilities, and so you are able to see exactly what works, what doesn't work. You are able to pinpoint the specific products that actually are currently, that actually generating revenue across the board. Okay, it's not about one specific niche; it's about a diversity of niches. And so you also can look at the pricing. You can look at the geography for specific products. You are able to see the entire history of the number of sales, so you can make informed decisions. So before actually sourcing a product or ordering a product, you have all kinds of ideas, all kinds of info about the product itself. And this is kind of cool also in terms of your PPC budget, your pay-per-click budget. Okay. And so if you were to advertise on Amazon or Facebook or YouTube, at least you have a clear idea about the potential revenue of this product. So this is really good. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a wonderful pleasure to have you here. We're having a quick convo in today's show about Jungle Scout. This is a Jungle Scout review, so you have a clear idea what the platform/tool is all about. Let me talk to you about the pros and cons of Jungle Scout. Let's first start with the pros. So Jungle Scout is great for product research. So you can use Jungle Scout to find the best product opportunities on Amazon and other e-commerce marketplaces. You are able to find the right pricing points, so you can monitor your competitors' pricing and find the sweet spot to maximize sales and profit. You have accurate data. So the huge product database provides the most accurate information of all the Amazon seller tools. And so this is kind of cool. And you have a high monthly costs. Okay. What we wanted to say is that this is one thing we don't like with Jungle Scout is that the monthly subscription is not really cheap. So there is a basic plan for $29. I'll speak about pricing later on though, but there is a basic plan for $29, but it's too limited for most users. So this is something to really think about. So when you think about, I also want to have other cons for you. So for instance, customer support is lacking. So if you were to go with Jungle Scout, you don't really have accurate customer support. And if you are a beginner, you may not be able to take advantage of all the features because it's just so much. Okay. So those are things I really wanted to say. And based on our research, we also think that the pricing is confusing, really. I mean, you want to have predictable cost. So, but if you were to go with Jungle Scout, really, it's not really sure. And you don't have no free trial. I mean, the thing is, whenever we have a software tool that doesn't offer a free trial, we really start looking at this with some kind of defiance. Why? Because if you're really sure about your product, if you believe the software is really that good, why don't you just give the ability for users to have a sneak preview about it for 15 days or 14 days or 30 days? It doesn't really matter. So Jungle Scout, if you're listening to me right now, you really want to allow potential users to use your tool for 30 days or 15 days at least, so they can really find out if it works for them. If you don't want to do a free trial, do a demo. Okay. You got to really give people like the ability to test something out first. Okay. So it is what it is. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Jungle Scout. So this is a Jungle Scout review. We are actually going through the pros and cons, the features, and everything about Jungle Scout. Let me talk to you about the approach here. So I want to give you an overview of Jungle Scout features here. And the thing is that, so when you think about Jungle Scout, you have a lot of features, a lot of capabilities. First of all, you have the niche hunter. So so this is kind of cool. So when you delve into the niche hunter, you have product category, you have competition, you have listing quality score, LQS, which is really quintessential on Jungle Scout. You have the average price, you have the opportunity score. So this is actually a general score based on all the factors. If it's high, then it's a great opportunity in theory though. And so this is kind of cool. And what happens here is that you set the parameters and it pits back at you a list of cool niches and keyword ideas to explore. And from there, you can dig deeper into the data to see information about, let's say, the most popular products in each niche. So that will help you get a better feeling for how profitable the niche is way before spending any time and money on it. So this is kind of cool. You have the product tracker. So product tracker lets you see a product's entire sales history. So this is kind of important. And so again, it's all about making sure that you get the right sort of item before spending money and time. You have the product database here. So Jungle Scout's product database contains over 70 to 80 million products from the Amazon catalog. I mean, it's essentially from Amazon, but they're starting to pull data from other e-commerce marketplaces, including eBay and Etsy. You have the keyword scout. So this is kind of important if you understand that keyword research is vital to your e-commerce success. So you want to make sure that people are actually searching for your products. And you also want to make sure that your listings are optimized to match those search queries. Okay. So keyword scouts in Jungle Scout this is a great feature. You have ease of ranking and keyword difficulty. This is another great tool. Also, you have relevancy score. So this score indicates how relevant a term is to your original search. So not super useful if you like, let's say if you're a niche, or if you know your niche well, you don't really need it. But if you are still learning, you can catch a synonym, a slang term, or some random jargon from time to time to beef up your listing and work on that listing quality score. So that LQS that I spoke about. You have Jungle Scout web app. The web app is kind of cool also. You have you have a constellation of features. This is just fantastic. Let me talk to you about the steps you need to really pay attention to here. So how does Jungle Scout really work? So the thing is that when Jungle Scout has two main components, right? You have a web app and you have a Chrome extension. So the web app has a bunch of features that help you with everything from product discovery and keyword research to listing optimization and inventory management. So that's for the web app. Pretty complete though. Wonderful, wonderful tool. Then you have the Chrome extension. So now the Chrome extension works differently. The Chrome extension right now works essentially on the Amazon website. So after you have installed the extension, you'll be able to see metrics like average monthly sales, listing quality score, and other metrics directly on Amazon product pages. You can also track products and add data to your web app using the Chrome extension. So the two Jungle Scout components they can actually work together to help you discover product opportunities and increase sales on Amazon. So this is kind of cool. So when we think about Jungle Scout data, the data is really accurate. Yes. So if you're using a tool like Jungle Scout, you basically can browse multiple marketplaces, including Amazon, and constantly have a data points that is constantly updated. So the bottom line here is that the data becomes accurate because there are multiple updates during the day. Okay. And in terms of ease of use, fantastic. We love the fact that the Jungle Scout is easy to use. Now, it does take a little bit of learning curve at the beginning, but once you spend 1, 2, or 3 weeks on the tool, you should be good to go. Flexibility is also great also. And the only thing we have to, we're still disappointed is that customer support. I mean, Jungle Scout has been in the industry for a while now, and they have to beef up their customer support. Right now, if you have questions, they do have an extensive help center. Don't get me wrong, But I mean, who wants to go through Q&A, read the articles, whatever, if you can just call customer service? So this is something that Jungle Scout has to work on and have customer service and beef up their customer service instead of directing folks to email or Q&A sessions. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Jungle Scout. This is the Jungle Scout review. This is an in-depth review. I want to quickly talk to you about pricing. Let's talk about pricing here. I want you to look right now on the screen. You can see that basically for Jungle Scout, you have 3 pricing tiers. You have the basic, the suite, and the professional. So those are the prices as of the date of this show. And so if you are, let's say if you're not really sure about your, so those prices are billed monthly. If you want to be billed annually, you can see below the pricing here, the annual billing. So you're saving a lot of cash, for example, on the basic. So if you were to actually be billed annually, you were paying $349 for the suite. You will be paying $589, and for the professional, you'll be paying about $999, so about $1,000. Okay, and it's important to understand that when we talk about the basics, so the thing is, Jungle Scout actually adapts itself to your e-commerce plans, and it's also important about the features that you want. So you can see that if you want to have a full access to the browser extension, Chrome plus the Firefox, you have that through all 3 plans. You have a single user license, and you can review automation core tools. So this is good. And if you were to go with a suite, the suite plan, you have the ability to have PPC analysis that we love a lot, which is really, really advanced here. So your price per click, it's really great. And if you were to go with professional, you can track multiple ASINs up to 1,000. You have 6 users included compared to the 1 user if you were to go with the basic. You have 6 months of historical data in product tracker. You have 2 years of historical keyword data. So again, the bottom line here is that you have the ability to track a lot of things. So the level of granularity with the professional plan is really huge. But if you were just starting, you want to go with the middle. So you want to go with the suite products, not with the professional. And the basic is kind of cool, but the basic doesn't have all the amenities, quote unquote amenities and capabilities that you would need to actually succeed in your e-commerce sort of ventures. Let me quickly talk to you about the rivals. So the kind of stuff that Jungle Scout does, this tool is not the only one doing it. Okay, you have a lot of players in the industry that do the same thing that Jungle Scout is doing. And so again, when we talk about Jungle Scout, what are we talking about? We're talking about one of the most popular platforms for Amazon sellers and dropshippers in general, right? So you have Helium 10. So Helium 10 is the main Jungle Scout competitor. It offers a bunch of similar tools to help you do everything from product research to inventory management. So like Jungle Scout, there is a Chrome extension to help you research products and find opportunities directly on Amazon. So this is kind of important. And so you're able to actually optimize your product descriptions and A+ content to maximize your visibility in search results. You also have AMZ Scout. So AMZ Scout is a platform that shares a lot of similarities with Jungle Scout. For example, both platforms offer a Chrome extension for performing product research on Amazon and a web app with tools that let you dig deeper into the data. So you can see key metrics like sales volume, competition, and pricing history on Amazon product pages. So you'll find keyword research, competitor analysis, and product tracking tools on the web app. So this is kind of cool. You also have, the list of features is not as extensive as Jungle Scouts or Helium 10, but it may be more suitable for beginners. So on AMZ Scouts, this is better for beginners. You also have Viral Launch. So Viral Launch is kind of cool because it's mainly focused on Amazon product launches. So it offers tools and services to help you launch a new product and quickly gain sales and reviews to increase your ranking and secure a top position in the Amazon marketplace. Now, this is not to say that it doesn't have some features to help you with product research. For example, Viral Launch rivals Jungle Scout in product discovery and keyword research tools, even though there is more overlap. Many sellers have both Viral Launch and Jungle Scout in their marketing stack. So this is kind of cool. And so you have a lot of players. So you also have Scope. You have a Unicorn Smasher. What about Scope? Scope is a 100% free alternative to Jungle Scout that's decent for beginners to get their feet wet. And now I wouldn't recommend it if you want to get serious and actually find winning products or make sales, but you can't beat free. So give it a try. So what is our final review here? The question is Jungle Scout worth it? Well, overall, Jungle Scout in our view is an excellent tool for e-commerce and dropshipping stores looking to expand their presence on Amazon. There are a bunch of useful features that can help you find the right products and sell more. You may also be able to use some of the tools to optimize your e-commerce store strategy. So products that are popular on Amazon and generally popular everywhere when you really think about it. So while Jungle Scout in our view may be a little pricey for beginners, it's a great option for those looking to take the next step and scale. So this is great. So Jungle Scout would definitely recommend it. Just make sure that it really fits into your strategy. So it is really worth it. And Jungle Scout is accurate, yes, because it's relatively accurate. It is not exact. You need to have a good knowledge of how selling on Amazon works, but it is still very reliable. A lot of entrepreneurs make the mistake of taking Jungle Scout as gospel. That's a mistake in our view. It should be a guide to your decision making, but not the decision itself. Okay, and so this is kind of cool. Now there is no free trial on Jungle Scout. This is something that I've said this before. They should have a free trial. They don't have a 14-day free trial, a 30-day free trial, a 28-day free trial. They don't have none of that. But they do have like a 14-day money back guarantee. So if you are an Amazon seller, you can take advantage of this 14-day money back guarantee. Okay, but you do have a lot of give it a try and see if this works out for you. The bottom line here is that you need to make sure that if you are going to use Jungle Scout, it just means that you are serious about your dropshipping efforts on Amazon.com. Like you really want to take your dropshipping to the next level. I mean, because if you start paying $59.99, like if you start paying, let's say, how much did we say again about the price? If you're paying $49 a month for a tool, you better have a clear idea of what you're getting yourself into. On top of that, many professional entrepreneurs that we know about, they don't just use Jungle Scout only. They use Viral Launch. They use Helium 10. So again, it's all about making sure that you have the right tool. And sometimes you might need to have 1, 2, 3, or 4 tools to be able to have a better idea of what the market is telling you. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Let me quickly do a recap here. So in today's conversation, I spoke to you about, this was a Jungle Scout review. I gave you an overview, the pros and cons, the approach that you need to have, the steps, the pricing, the rivals, and then the final review, the verdict. Thank you. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.